Hey everyone, if you want to be trading meme coins in 2025, then you need to be using Axiom Pro. I'm going to show you some of the main reasons why in a minute, but firstly, I'm going to get into the main update, which actually gives you faster processing speed for trades quicker than ever. Now, this came out over the weekend. I'm going to show you some of my results from using this, and I think this is really important, especially at the current climate in the meme coin space. It is not the same as it was in November when coins were running to absolute crazy levels consistently. You can still use other sniping bots to try and get quicker entries into these meme coins, but Axiom have now released with the new update this turbo mode, which you can get by going to portfolio in Axiom, then by clicking wallets, and then going over to your main wallet and clicking turbo. As you can see, I just disabled it. You click it back again, and there we go. You can see the turbo sign right next to your wallet. And the reason why this is incredibly important is just because so many coins are going for a really quick run, quicker than they've ever went before, and then they're crashing down. And that's partly because of Axiom Pro's speed on processing. This turbo mode has helped a lot because the meme coin space at the moment, a lot of the coins aren't getting to migration and they're pumping and dumping quicker than ever before. So that is one thing that you need to watch out with currently in the meme coin space. It is not as volatile as it was a couple months ago, but I can imagine that it will start to get a bit more volatile in the next coming weeks as Solana is slowly coming all the way back up. So it's currently at $140. It hit its bottom at $120. So crypto's on its way back up, which should mean that a lot more volume is coming into the meme coin space. But if you get a gist of how to trade it right now, while everyone's pumping and dumping real quick, and practice it right now with money that you can afford to lose, then when the meme coin space becomes a bit more volatile and a lot more memes are being created, then there should be a decent opportunity for you to get some gains with this. So here's my strategy. I'm using the Twitter section, the Twitter tracker that you can get built in Axiom. If you click the link in my description below, you'll be able to find a list of all the Twitter usernames that you can actually target with this. You can just copy and paste it and import it into the Twitter tracker, and then you'll be able to track all these accounts. And then I have the wallet tracker here as well. You can also find all the lists of these wallets as well in the link in the description below. You'll also find a link to our free Discord as well, which has all these wallets in with a built-in wallet tracker. So you can use it through the free Discord, but I think Axiom Pro section right now with this wallet tracker has got even better than before, and it's quicker than ever before. It's just good to have all of them in one place, and I've been finding that it's really a lot better to be tracking the wallets through Axiom just for that quicker little speed that you get. And also when you're using it through Axiom, you get to see when the whale wallets are buying in on the chart as well, which gives you a better idea of what coins are performing well. So I'll show you how I've been doing. I've been finding the majority of my trades at the moment are literally 2x's, 3x's, and that's pretty good. I'm still getting decent profit from them. I've just got to be a lot quicker than I ever was before, and the turbo mode helps me do that. So this was one, it was related to the Pope when he passed away the other day. I literally bought in around this range at around the 15k market cap range. It went to 35k market cap, started to slow down, and I sold it. And then a very other similar one, I seen that a lot of the whale wallets that have been tracking were buying into this one. It was something to do with a dog from China that sort of went viral. This is what's great about Axiom as well. You can see what tweet is related to the meme coin. You can scroll over it real quick without leaving Axiom, and you can see how well the tweet is actually doing to get a gist of if the coin's worth buying or not. But if you're seeing that a lot of the whales are buying in at the same time, then you can follow the pump. If you're literally looking at the wallet tracker that second, you can't be looking at the wallet tracker like a couple minutes ago and thinking, all right, okay, I should jump into the meme coin now. All of these whale wallets were jumping in. It doesn't mean that it's going to do well because they've already sold. A lot of them have already sold at this point. So this really needs to be quick. This is on the 1 minute chart, and when I'm trading this, I'm trading on the 1 second chart. I'm just showing you the 1 minute chart to actually give you a better idea of what to look for. With the 1 second chart, it's so much quicker. You can see exactly when to buy in, when to get out. Here was another one. This was probably one of the best performing ones. I think this went to its highest at 237k market cap. I just got out, I think, just a bit before, and yeah, you can see the average exit price right there was 145k. I'm just trying to get profits with these. I'll see what's trending, seeing that the wallets are all buying in, and if you can see on Axiom, you can quickly see that all the wallets are buying in. You can see exactly when they're selling. Just gives you a better idea instead of just going blind into a lot of these meme coins. So now I'm going to go through the coins that ran to a couple million market cap really quickly, just to give you an idea of the coins to look out for if you want to go for these type of coins that'll go to a couple million market cap and give you incredible gains. Obviously, this one was the Pope Francis token related to Pope Francis's death. Now, if there's any trending news story that goes global and a lot of people are talking about it, there'll likely will be a meme coin made behind it that will do pretty well. So I can imagine when the new Pope is announced, that there will be a meme coin around the new Pope, and that will probably go to a couple million market cap as well. So keep an eye out for that. I think that's in the next 2 weeks. So if you definitely keep an eye out for that if you're in the meme coin space. Then there was this one that ran yesterday. I didn't even see this one, to be completely honest. This was Trench News Reporters, and usually when I see stuff like this, I'll be like, why would I even get into these ones? Why is it doing so well? Because to me, it doesn't look like it should be doing so well. But this is trying to be like a Bloomberg, but for news, for meme coins, which could actually do decent, to be honest, over time. So that's probably why people are investing into it. Now, there is this Reddit page called Wizard Posting that has 336,000 members, and basically a meme coin was created around that with the Reddit in the actual website link and everything else like that. And this went to 10 million market cap. And the reason why was because so many people were posting about it on Twitter and reposting it. That is why it went viral. So if you're in the Twitter tracker and you see that a lot of people are posting about a certain meme coin, usually shouting out the ticker, then go ahead and check out that meme coin and see if there is any length to it. If there's constantly a lot of people posting and re-sharing a meme related to that, and obviously there's volume, because this one has a lot of volume with all the people that are in the Reddit, then it should do well as long as people are posting about it. If Elon Musk posts any type of meme, it will go completely parabolic to a stage which you'd never see before, and all of your whale wallets will be buying into it. This was done 3 hours ago while I was asleep. There's an old saying, if a hot girl texts you about crypto, block him. So like, if he posts some type of crypto meme or something related to it, anything related to Doge or some type of dog, then the people will be invested into it. It's completely crazy, to be honest. And why, like, I don't understand why people do invest into this, but I'm just literally seeing what the whales are looking into, the type of coins that they're getting into, and then just shouting out on here just to sort of share it with you guys. So there we go, that's the video. Go ahead and check out the brand new Axiom Pro Turbo update. It really does help for processing speed on meme coins. It's amazing. And sign up to Axiom Pro. It is literally the best meme coin exchange out there. You can get your wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, all in one place. And if you want all the Twitter usernames and wallets to track, just click the link in my description below. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to us for more trading content.